Hello, my name is James Azoric, and today I'll be talking about my informational interview with Allison Castaneda, an engineering project manager at Sara Lee Frozen Bakery. As I start planning my own career path, I wonder what kind of engineer I'll be, one who solves the problems or one who leads others to solve them. My interview with Allison helped me see that I can be both. The goal of this interview with Allison was to gain insight on real world responsibilities of a project manager and discover what qualities are the most important. In this presentation, I will go over what project management is in the engineering field, Allison's career journey and responsibilities, the key success skills she highlighted, including communication and problem solving, and finally, the lessons that I've learned from our discussion. First and foremost, it's important to understand what a project manager is and what they do. Project managers focus on planning, organizing, and overseeing projects from the start to the finish. They act as the bridge between clients, engineers, and other team members to make sure the project runs smoothly, stays within budget, and meets deadlines. Engineers often start as project engineers that aid project managers on more technical aspects of the project, then move up to manage full-scale projects that combine engineering and business decisions. The professional I've decided to interview is Allison Castaneda, who is a project manager at Sara Lee Frozen Bakery. She has 8 years of experience in total and has a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering. She is Six Sigma Yellow Belt certified and has her professional project management certification. These are not requirements, however, they build your credibility as a project manager. Her background combines technical engineering knowledge with strong management skills, which are both essential for success in her role and is what inspired me to interview her for this project. After graduating from Northwestern University, Allison began as a project engineer at Zachary Group, where she worked on emission reduction for manufacturing plants. She later joined Carey, focusing on food inspection and quality optimization. These experiences prepared her for her current position at Sara Lee, where she leads major engineering projects that improve food safety and efficiency. At Sara Lee, Allison manages projects that involve upgrading equipment, improving food safety, and optimizing production lines. She develops the project's scope, timeline, and budget while also conducting risk assessment and safety planning. All of this planning comes together to ensure the project runs smoothly. After completion, she reviews these results to learn from challenges and apply improvements to future projects. During the interview, one subject that kept coming up was the importance of communication in the workplace. Allison emphasized that communication is the key to every successful project. As a manager, you act as a translator between technical engineers and non-technical clients. She holds regular meetings to ensure everyone understands their responsibilities, which prevents delays and confusion. Another key term brought up was problem solving. Every project brings unique challenges, especially with tight deadlines. One story that stood out to me was when she was installing a high precision inspection system that could detect plastic contaminants in the food product as small as 1 millimeter. The entire plant had to shut down for 2 weeks while the system was installed. Within this time, they had to find a manufacturer capable of detecting such small particles, install that system, and verify that it's up to standard. This experience showed that problem solving under pressure is a defining skill in project management. From Allison's experience, I learned that success in project management depends on clear communication to align teams and goals, adaptability when challenges arise, staying current with technology trends such as automation and AI, and prioritizing collaboration over individualism. These skills don't just apply to engineering, but any leadership role in any field. From this interview, I have learned new information on a career I would be interested in pursuing. I learned that project management is not just technical engineering work, it's people oriented, and strong communication drives success. Strong communication can also elevate the career of an engineer in general and can lead to bigger opportunities. Solving complex challenges under pressure builds your credibility and impacts your career growth. And finally, you must continue to learn and stay up to date on new technologies, which is key to the long-term success. In conclusion, I learned that project managers oversee every aspect of a project, bridging both engineering and business. From my interview with Allison, I discovered that strong communication and problem-solving skills are key to success in this role. This experience gave me valuable insight into a career I hope to pursue after graduation and lessons I'll apply in future team settings. Thank you all for listening, and I hope that the lessons I've learned from this interview can be applied to even those in other fields.